Hello world, today is Tuesday, December 30th, 2025. It's 11:33 a.m. and I am in Malaysia, and this is another 10-minute vlog, a raw, unedited talk about what is top of mind, kind of public journal and captain's log of the journey of my life. And what is top of mind? Today I went to the gym. Now I'm going to go get some food, and then I'm going to go work in a cafe. And yesterday I worked on 1GF, completed finishing the app and the landing page. What's been top of mind is, it's a mini app, going to be live on World Mini App. Submitted it to the review, but I'm also gonna make a version for just the regular mobile apps. It's a Next.js app. I'm gonna find a way to recompile it for Android and iOS, and have crypto payments on there. But also, let's see other things like Farcaster and Telegram. It's like an AI girlfriend chat, so you can chat with. It's like Tinder, but with all the girls are AI, and it's really amazing. It's really fun. You have all these different character types. I created an API service that generates characters that are consistent. So you have the same face, and you create the character, and you create photos with them. So what else is top of mind is just opening Twitter. It's 2025. It's almost 2026. It's every day you see crazy news. AI models are just getting crazier. Coding is becoming just super easy. People are just vibe coding entire apps. They're managing multiple cloud codes instances, and AI designers like Stitch is just amazing, changing the game. You can just design beautiful apps in seconds. That's reality. So what else is top of mind? I went to the gym. I was thinking a lot about augme.lol, just this vision of creating these AI twins on chain and having a core. So it's when picking a direction, it's you have to be strategic, but also you just have to put things out there to action. So I'm really prioritizing launching this, and imagine it being you create your AI twin on chain, you create the knowledge base, and you can talk to it. So you have video conversations with it. And so another project is Luminolog that I'm really into, AI video journaling. And so this is building products is it's a whole thing. It's a beast. You have to do a lot of marketing. Marketing is super important to get your hands on that, and do social media marketing. If you feel resistance to that, your solution is to get in an incubator, get in a community, and be surrounded by people. So I think for me, it's augme.lol is this AI twin, but also a way for you to create your own communities there and monetize your skills. So for example, I can monetize my skill and experience with being a founder and developer by creating these classrooms and providing one-on-one mentorship, but also people have access to my persona, my expertise, and through chat with my AI clone. And that's how you can also get paid for your services, really strong on the creator economy, how this is the way of the future, where individuals set up their own businesses online and can make money. So I feel that's really, there's a calling, there's a need there for people to build better tools, and crypto payments is a really good tool for that, to pay people for being your coach, or being attending a class, a seminar on how to do something. So it's very important to be surrounded by people, talking to people, having mentors, having peers, and being in these spaces where you have the container to bring out of yourself this this skill, this insight, this decision making process that help you accelerate. So that's really required. You can't really do it on your own. So creating the communities and hubs and tribes for this kind of space is really important. So I think augme.ol is really big solution to that problem. And my vision is for doing this on LISC, like applying for LISC grants and pushing forward with LISC community and like incubator. So right now I'm at network school for this month and starting on Thursday, so in 2 days. And right now my priority is augme.lol. It's the last 3 days of the year. What else is top of mind? Like the really important thing is like, okay, looking back and seeing growth and like seeing what works, like small AI apps that you can build and ship quickly, like personal calorie tracker, personal like your macros counter, this like Cal AI style apps. Like you have to build a lot of them and ship them and monetize them and market them. Another app is like Ava Creator. It's like I've already shipped it and like I use it quite a bit, and like it's like access to these AI art tools, and I think that's like very important. So like you really as a founder you really have to think about yourself as creating multiple projects and seeing what works and getting the feedback and iterating, and you have to like stay in the fight even though you're failing and you're not reaching your goals, but you have to keep getting up. And it's like going to the gym, and you have to there's that process of really putting in a lot of effort, and then just knowing that you have to stick to the effort and you have to be consistent and you have to keep showing up, and you're getting closer, and you can look back on how much farther you are today than you were 1 year ago or 2 years ago or 5 years ago. So those are very important things, and it's like you're mentally coaching yourself. So for me it's like very important to be coaching myself like mentally about I'm going to work on this today. When I'm in this when I'm feeling this way, I can do this to get in a better mindset. And those are things like doing everyday like goals, or like working on doing co-working sessions with others, and many things like that that are about seeking out, like listening to what you're working on and then finding out like what you need to do, listening to like what you're feeling, and then finding out what's the best way for you to move forward. And that can be like going on a walk, or I found that like I would get burnt out so much by just sitting at a computer. And what really solved that problem is like I was creating short AI films, and I found myself just being in this flow state and just being really excited and loving the work, because it only took me like a couple hours to go from idea to product. And I felt like, okay, I'm making progress, I'm putting stuff out there. And that made me feel like really excited about the project, and then I could feel that I'm getting better. But when I'm stuck in a project that takes like weeks, I feel a lot of pain, because I have a lot of doubt and I don't feel motivation, and I feel very burnt out. But if it's like a short AI film that's like 60 seconds and I can put it together in like 5 hours, then I feel good. Or if I can do a drone film, record a drone film, and then edit it together into a short 60-second clip, and then I can 60-second short, and I can watch it on my Instagram and love it, like be amazed at it, and just have a lot of joy. That is a huge unlock for me. So I know that's like the way forward, to find that kind of excitement and joy in building products. And so that means like building fun products that I get excited about. It's like but like this guy Bashar, which is like this medium, Bashar, look him up. He's like talked about this. Like, you just find the most exciting thing for you right now and do it, and just always do the most exciting thing. So that for me is like, that's an evolution of like how not to get burnt out and how not to feel sick from like computer sickness and being too much at the computer. And so that's a big lesson and progress. So ending it here, thank you for listening, and as always, sending you good thoughts, frequencies and vibrations. May you be free from suffering, because every thought matters. Peace.